Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft Teams chats with eDiscovery search, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup Microsoft Teams chats using eDiscovery search, start by logging into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the Microsoft Purview Compliance portal. Once there, select the Solutions menu from the sidebar. From the drop-down, choose eDiscovery. Click on eDiscovery Cases. Next, click on the Create Case button to provide a name and description for your case, then click Save. After saving, open your newly created case by clicking on it. In the Case dashboard, find and select the Search tab. Click on New Search to begin creating a search query. Under the Locations section, select Teams Chat. You will also need to specify the users from whom you want to extract chats. In the Keywords section, enter any relevant keywords or phrases you want to search for. Click on Search to execute your query. Once the search is complete, review the results. You can modify your search parameters if needed to refine the results. When you're satisfied with the results, click Export Results. Choose the preferred format for your export. Start the export process by clicking the Export button. You will receive a notification when the export is ready. Access the exported data from the Export section of the eDiscovery case. Download the exported data to your local device for backup. Make sure to store it in a secure location for future reference. Regularly perform this backup process to keep your data updated and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.